3D prints today, and you're my assistant.
I'm the Stig, and I'm here assisting.
Okay, are we starting?
I don't care.
Okay, that's how we're doing it. Okay, so today we're gonna 3D print. It's gonna sound really echoey in here, but that's fine. Doesn't matter. What are we doing?
Why are we here?
Pencils and rulers.
So today we're
Headphones.
gonna sketch, design, and 3D print a stand for these headphones. Or probably most headphones. I don't think it's going to be specific to these particular headphones.
No, it's not going to be specific.
That'd be a little extreme, I think.
It would be.
Like, I don't even know how you would design it to only work with these headphones.
You could, let's not talk about how you could do that.
I don't know. It might be an interesting avenue to go down. That way we can be elitist.
I don't know how you would do it.
I know that's a challenge.
That is a challenge. That's another episode. Okay, so we're going to make a stand for the headphones. Okay. For any headphones. And then we're going to upload it to Thingiverse so anyone with a 3D printer can print the same stand.
So this is the sketching phase where we don't know what we're doing.
We have no idea. This is the first episode. We have no clue what's happening.
Implying that in this next phase we will know what we're doing.
We're not going to know anything. So
then they'll hang down still.
We're going to measure.
So we're going to want from the top
to the bottom.
This point.
When it's at this point like that.
Which should probably start from the
right side. And we want millimeters. Or centimeters. I can do inches in Blender.
So I just don't do inches.
I can do inches in Blender.
Get out of here with your dumb imperial system, guy. So that's not ideal.
What is it?
It's 22.
Okay.
220 millimeters.
220.
Which means that our printer can't print it in one print.
We can do like a segmented piece. So what we can do is like have the initial base of the stand. This is gonna, I'll flip it. Okay, so this would be like, this isn't the, I'm not designing what it's gonna look like right now, just this is idealizing. Gotcha. We'll have the stand here like this.
Yep.
And then another piece that pops into that piece. To do that, we can do that easy.
We could do that. Noggin apparently, I don't know, man.
No one's head is bigger than mine.
There's some very customized.
I really think that a segmented piece would be best.
But that's a point of failure. You're introducing a point of failure.
But it's not something that's guaranteed to fail.
We should put that in the description. Not guaranteed to fail.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll probably fail, but we can't guarantee it. Like it's square, and then this prints like that, and those two triangles come up, and then the other one
That's like 4 triangles.
Okay, but there's only 2 triangles that come up. I know how many triangles are in the shape I just drew, but only these 2 rise up. Okay,
I don't know where you're going. Oh, and they snap together?
Yeah, well, no, they don't snap together. That's one part, and then the other part that we add onto it has the opposite little thing.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, and then they would snap together.
Yeah, and then it's like slide onto each other.
Like that?
Yeah.
And you just...
Except we don't want these 2 to touch, because these 2 need to be
Okay, so what I think you're talking about here is, so this, I'm going to draw it bigger so the camera definitely can catch it.
Okay.
And you've got this drawn like this, and this one drawn like this.
Yeah.
And we'll do that. Those are coming up.
Yes.
I'm going to take this directly up and turn it sideways.
Okay.
On this axis. So I'm just going to... So this is the bottom of it. I believe that this will be like this. And maybe come like that a little bit. Just, you know, there's... And then this side would do the same and be like that.
Yeah,
the same
these
size.
would be pretty long so that you get a nice sturdy...
Yeah. And so, and then the other one would fit.
Yeah.
On top.
The other one would be this hourglass shape that would slide down into it.
Okay, so you're saying slide down. Yeah. I was thinking slide into it, like in this direction. I was thinking slide in like that. Oh. I was like, I don't know how that's. I don't understand what you're saying.
No, like slide straight down.
Okay. Yeah.
Things to go at least as wide as this thing is. So this is going to be 20 as well.
Yeah,
But that's going to be at diagonal, so that's not going to use our whole print bed. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because...
I know we actually... Yeah, well, let's do 20...
So these are going to be 20?
Yeah, so those will be 20 all the way from corner to corner, and I think that should be close enough.
Okay. Let's actually draw these out a little bit.
Okay.
I understand. I get bases.
And these poles are going to attach onto it, and then it's going to have a little hook or something, and the headphones will sit on it. You don't know anything about... Do you have a show on YouTube about... I don't either. Not yet. Look at my frog. He's so adorable. Yeah. He sounds like this. Hi! We can go for it. If it fails, then, I mean, that's awesome.
Yay.
Legitimately, I think it would be cool to have it fail, so.
That's good.
His name is Gonzo.
I don't like that name.
What's his name? I don't dislike the curve.
Okay, I want to redesign the whole thing now.
Why?
I have a better idea.
Okay.
It's not okay.
It's but what if we do something like this for the base? This is a top view that I'm suggesting.
I'm already doing that. Stop it. I hate you. Now it's gonna look like your idea, douche.
That's the best.
Ah, man, I hate you.
This is my idea for the stand.
That's actually a very cool like aesthetic design for
Yeah,
like the
that's
base.
why, dummy.
Well, I can make that. We can do that as well.
Shut it.
Okay, then I'm just not gonna be nice anymore. That's shit.
You're shit. You eat shit.
I don't think people should know that.
He's like, I don't see what that has to do with designing this thing.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, you get the idea. The curves are bad, but...
I get the idea.
This slides sideways.
This
into
looks
that.
like this is just... What is this?
You know what? I don't have a freaking protractor or compass or whatever.
This guy,
alright, buddy?
You can just be like...
You know what? If you want to draw, you can draw, friend. I think we're ready for the next stage.
Awesome. Let's do it. Throw your pencil in there. Throw everything in there. Put it all. Put that candle in there. Don't burn the paper.
Get the dessert in there.
Just throw it on there. Okay, we're going to the next stage, guys.
Yay!
We're gonna have some kind of swiping.
We're not gonna do that.
Yeah, you're editing then.
I'm a producer.
God damn it. God damn it.
Son of corn cut and such.
I
have a crappy voice.
I got a good voice for recording.
I've got a terrible voice for
Okay.
recording. But if I talk loud enough and impersonate a radio person.
Impersonate a radio person today. I'm DJ Snazzy Snaz on KYXZ.
KYXZ is the worst name for a radio station I've ever heard.
There was in Oklahoma City, there was actually a KATT, the cat. And they had the most stupid looking cat. It was like, it had like a red bow tie. It's so stupid. Anyway. So I've already set up this area for modeling in Blender.
Okay. Blender's a thing?
Yeah, we're using Blender for our CAD because I know Blender.
Because we hate all of you people who know SketchUp, that's why.
Fuck SketchUp. It's hard.
It's so not hard.
I know Blender.
Okay. I don't know anything.
So I've got this guy over here just to represent what 1 centimeter is.
One time I learned Key Creator.
I don't know what Key Creator is.
It's awful.
Will you hand me our giant ass piece of paper?
Ass paper.
Ass piece. Okay, I'm just gonna... How's this gonna work out? Oh, that's good. Nice. Do you remember the dimensions? I put the ruler up.
I don't know. The whole thing is like 20 centimeters.
That's really
That's our
good.
max.
That's really good because this is. I don't know what this is. I think so. If the whole thing is 20.
So we're building this new printer. It's called a Mendel 90, and it's going to be pretty flippin' sweet.
Dual extrusion.
So hopefully that'll be in our videos like soonish. I'm not extremely confident this new printer is going to work, but it's possible that it will work.
How confident were you that our current printer was going to work?
About
honestly?
0% confident
So-
that our current printer was ever going to work.
And it actually works pretty well.
It works really excellent.
Let's see. Does that match the angle?
Yes.
Okay.
Since I never actually had a real angle,
Yes.
it definitely matches my imaginary angle that I just decided.
Well, it is this asshole with a beeping phone.
Yeah, it's important when you're recording to have your ringer turned up all the way.
That's not even a ring. That's a fucking tone. I'm gonna edit what you've done a little bit.
Yeah, go crazy, man.
Isn't that that's a Linkin Park song? What I've done.
I hate Linkin Park. So
What?
there's that. They were good for like one album, and then they decided
I
to
love
suck
all
bad.
of Linkin Park.
Really?
Yeah.
So anyway, our new Mendel 90, it's gonna have a 12 by 8 by 12 print area and dual extruders, so we can do some dissolvable support material going on.
Then we don't have to worry about overhangs and
Yeah, because overhangs are dumb.
Jesus.
Yeah, right now we always have to worry about Jesus.
Jesus comes into our shop and smashes almost everything we
Yeah,
print.
it's kind of weird thing for him to do. Like, it's kind of an odd hobby.
I'm like, Jesus, don't you have other business?
You'd think he would, right? Like, at some point, he'd be like, have some better things to do, like save children or, I don't know, Jesus stuff.
I'm pretty sure that Jesus and, what's that wizard's name?
Merlin?
No, the wizard that those people hate. This is gonna alienate.
Sparlock!
Sparlock.
Yeah, Jesus and Sparlock.
Jesus and Sparlock. I think they're in a gang.
Yeah, they're in a 3D print smashing gang.
I want to control R this. There we go. That's what I wanted to do.
I think I might be having an epileptic seizure right now.
Are you serious?
No.
Oh.
But the
I was worried
flashing
about you.
is
Oh,
pretty intense.
Alright, the cursor is flashing quite a bit right now, and
Hopefully
he's
you guys
crying
will be
about
able
it.
to see that.
I really don't think it's recording the mouse.
Okay.
So it's recording the
'Cause
clicks
that
and
is
stuff.
distracting.
But here's the beginning of our base.
It's a triangle.
It's not.
I
It's
like
a
it.
Y.
It's a Y.
Okay, you know what's going on. You drew the thing.
Yeah. I
I
got this under control.
drew a frog.
So once you get that modeled, we'll print that out.
Oh my god, that's gonna happen. I'm gonna
Whoa.
model that frog. Not right now.
We just stop all this. The video just completely changes.
Okay. Let's. I'm gonna scale. I'm just gonna bring it right up to 20. We can do that safely.
We actually need to extrude that one more than the rest, though, because we don't want those two legs being this thick, because that would just waste plastic at that point.
So we want this to be these
A little
legs.
bit more. A little more. That's probably good on those ones.
Keep in mind that this is a centimeter.
So how tall is it right now?
Roughly a centimeter.
That's too much.
We can't actually count these lines because I fucked that up. So
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna tab out real quick, and it's not. Whoa, wrong button.
They probably only need to be like half a centimeter thick, those two legs.
R on the Y, 90 degrees. 1. Okay, they're like half a centimeter actually.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Actually, I could have just looked over here. It says right there, 4.75 millimeters. You want to go for exactly half?
That's fine.
We're going for exactly 5. Okay.
And that third one, top leg needs to be square.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. It needs to come up and be 12 centimeters high.
Yes.
Let's do this. So, what I'll do is I'll select from here. And we'll go like 3, not that one. And we'll zoom in. And we've got what? G on the Z. Right there.
Ooh, I like that little thing right there too. That's pretty sweet actually. Little line it made for us.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
So that's square.
I like it.
I'll just check this out.
Oh wait, I just realized we're kind of screwed here.
Why? This will work. What about this won't work?
The fact that the other part's going to print sideways.
But it's all 30 degrees angle.
Yeah, but on the other side, that's going to be a 60-degree angle on the other part.
This is what this stage is for, though. Literally, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna bridge it. We're Bridget Jones.
I don't know what you're talking
Her
about.
diary.
Okay.
She gained weight for some reason.
Right.
Remember that?
No.
Have you never seen it?
I think so once, maybe.
Renee Zellweger is hot in a weird way. What we're going to do is, because it's all encapsulated anyway, we don't need to really worry about the triangles. I mean, if it breaks, it breaks.
No, what I'm saying is the other part's going to print on its side.
Mm-hmm.
So
Watch.
it's going to be 90 degrees. The other part's going to print 90 degrees from this part. So what's a 30-degree angle here is going to be a 60-degree angle on the other side.
Problem solved.
You're just going to do a square
Yeah.
inside of a square?
Yeah, why not?
Because bridging might...
Yeah, well, Bridget Jones.
Down.
Bridget Jones.
Because the bridge is going to slump some, and then it's going to be really hard to put that other part in.
Yeah, well, it'll stick better.
That doesn't even make sense.
It's a tighter fit, like Bridget Jones. Oh, I'm gonna take this, and I'm gonna use this mirror modifier. Going to apply it so it affects all that. So now it's all of the thing, and I'm gonna add a new modifier, another one called a Boolean operation. You know, Boolean.
I know all about Boolean.
Boo gonna lean like a shorty does.
Ever since you shot that rap video, I swear. It's unbearable.
Do I have? Okay. I don't know.
You're just like going totally crazy now. I like it. I'm excited to see how you're going to connect this.
I don't know, honestly.
I feel like you think you connect it to the opposite side than you actually do.
Yeah, I'm connecting way over here.
Is that really what you were doing?
No.
Okay.
I just want to go for something neat.
There's no way it's going to make that.
It's going to make it.
What? What are you doing right now?
I don't know. Shut up! I can adjust it anywhere I want.
Oh, you're just getting a basic thing to start with. I gotcha.
Yeah, I'm smart.
Okay, that makes sense.
I'm not good at math, but I can fucking draw a curve.
Okay.
I don't know.
Sorry I doubted you.
Right when you said you're sorry you doubted me. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You're automatically.
I don't like that at all.
Yeah, don't worry about it. It's gonna
I
get fixed.
really dislike that. That is not good at all. I don't think I could like that less. I'm trying to like that less, and I'm having trouble.
Don't worry.
I'm really worried.
I know what I'm doing, kind of. I don't. I even... Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. That's going to be the quote of the day.
How do you like that? I don't think it's bad.
Curve right there is kind of weird, but it's all you.
It is a little
man.
bit weird, but...
It's all you.
I don't... I like that it curves there. Oh, well, you know what I can do? Just pull this out a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, it'll work.
I want it to feel
It's
a
your
little
curve.
bit organic, kind of like it could hop around.
Hmm.
It all, you know what it almost looks like? A guy holding something up.
Yeah.
I like it. I'm going for it.
Deal.
Okay.
Separate the two objects.
Nope, they have to be actually combined. You're completely wrong, stupid.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so first let's get rid of this. Not that. X edges. And let's turn this guy on his side. 90. And these are, we're going to have to print these separately.
Really?
I think so.
I had no idea.
Oh, okay, you're being sarcastic, asshole.
Yeah, since they both take the entire print bed.
Okay, so yeah, they are going to have to be separate. So, again, with the...
I turned my ringer down, but the alarm ignores the ringer volume.
Okay, so we're done.
Alright.
That's the,
CAD phase.
No, it's
What do we
not
call
CAD. Well, it is CAD, but...
It was like sketch, then design
I
or
have it
something?
over here. Design, yeah, that was the designing.
Yeah. Designed.
We designed
I hate it.
intelligently.
I wouldn't go that far.
Well, intelligent design. It's real now.
I got your joke.
We just proved
but
that we proved something.
I'm not sure this qualifies as intelligent design.
Okay. Well, we'll see whenever it works.
Like, almost coherent design is what I meant.
Okay, that's fair enough. I think that'll be good. Get out of the way. Alrighty, let's we're gonna start this a little bit late, but
Yeah?
welcome to this segment where we're actually 3D printing.
My favorite thing about this segment is we don't have to do anything.
Yeah, this is pretty much, we just bullshit.
Yeah, we just sit here and watch the printer go around and hope it doesn't catch fire.
Also try to
Again.
be funny. We have to try to be funny because we're not funny. We're boring people.
Stop staring at the camera so intensely. Please. It's making me nervous and I'm not even the camera.
Oh man.
So the first layer goes a little bit slower to stick to the bed better. That's important, probably. And yeah, the printer sings pretty well. Not as well as it does when it's round.
Yeah.
Round things sing better.
Round things are amazing. And there's nothing round on this print. There's a few curves.
I drew it round.
You did not draw it round?
Yeah, I drew round ends.
Well, it doesn't have round ends.
I noticed that.
It's very square.
Yeah.
I could have given it round ends,
I know you could have.
but I didn't want to.
But you're a failure.
Because it's more work.
Yeah, work is hard.
I'm excited for this print.
Hey,
So,
it's only an hour. I'm gonna get my drink because it's hot as balls in here.
okay, you go get your drink. I'll try to be entertaining by myself. We've got that 3D prints over there. One of them is not a 3D print. I thought I would be clever. I don't think, unless you zoom in or something, that you can tell though. You can probably tell it's big as shit. It's printing well. I'm talking to my goddamn self.
Huh?
Or the camera.
What?
I'm not talking to myself.
What?
I was talking about how I put a fake... I outed myself about the fake 3D print.
Oh, good job. This episode's sponsored by Stripes. If you live in Texas or southeast New Mexico, you might know what Stripes is.
There are stripes in other parts of America? I'm sure.
Think so?
Yeah.
I've never seen them north of Texas. I've never seen them
How
north
far-
of Roswell.
How far east have you been?
I don't think they're east of Roswell either.
They're
I think
definitely
we're the furthest
east of
east
Roswell.
Stripes is.
Roswell's like directly north of us.
Yeah, we're the furthest east that Stripes exists.
I
West.
I
The
don't
furthest
think
west that Stripes exist.
Okay.
They're, of course they're east, because
Yeah, I
Texas
was
is
like,
east.
Yeah, I know. I was like, do you know what you're talking about right now? Why are we screwed? Is that really happening right now?
No, it's pretend happening.
Why does everything fuck up whenever we do things? This is what I wanted.
You did literally ask for it.
Legitimately, I think it would be cool to have it fail, so.
That's good.
I did literally ask for this.
Well, it's thinking about coming back.
I don't think it thinks, Peter.
I think I need to turn the temperature up.
How did you turn it up on the fly like that?
You push set.
Really?
Yep.
I just learned something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, whatever. I hope it all fucks up and catches on fire.
Oh, quit being such a baby all the time. Jeez.
I really hope that happens. Don't put acetone on it.
That's how you fix it.
I'll fix you. That is a lot of acetone. I guess it evaporates quickly.
Nah, you get a little green part. I can tell you're excited. Try to hold it in.
I'm so excited. I can't hide it.
Hey, it's extruding again.
That guy has a ponytail from fucking 1974.
I just realized I did like 70% infill on this thing.
Well, that's what we need. The printer sometimes decides that it's going to do strange things that we don't understand, but we're not mathematically inclined.
Yeah, the person who programmed Slicer is a lot smarter than us, but that doesn't stop us from criticizing the thing that Slicer does.
Yeah, so sometimes we think we're smarter than the software.
And I think Kira's insane. I don't know if any of you have used Kira, but it seems insane to us.
I like it. He doesn't. Because he had
even
bad
though you
experience.
like it, you still think it's insane.
I do think it's crazy.
It tried to take our printer.
So
it's like, I'm just going to disassemble this.
So is Slicer.
Our printer.
Remember the honeycomb infill?
The honeycomb infill is the best. Apparently that works better if you just have a lower infill number, is what we found out, I think.
We found out? Because I didn't know
found
anything. Yeah, I was going to say, I didn't know anything about that.
So what happens is, if you try to do a tiny, high-density infill pattern, I'm playing with all this terribly wrong, but if you do like 15-20%, it looks awesome.
It looks, but how does it act?
Better? Less shaky?
Well, I mean, but as an infill, like sturdiness.
I don't know. People use it, right?
I don't. You talk to more 3D printers than I do.
Hello, 3D printer.
Yeah, you talk to more 3D printer enthusiasts than I do.
Listen, Mr. 3D printer. Voice command 3D printer on the next episode.
3D printer
3D
on.
Prints, not Chris Prints, because apparently
we got
that
to
would be a
mess
show
with an
about laser
Xbox
printers.
One.
It was frustrating.
It was fun to troll people.
Why isn't it in 3D?
There are games that are in 3D. Every game it depends on the game maker.
How hard is that?
It's not about hardness. It's about just what they want to do. If I develop a game and I make the game
dead.
3D, what?
I think 3D's dead.
That is a drastic conclusion.
Home 3D is dead. Not theater 3D, but home 3D is dead.
No, I don't think it is.
They're making less home 3D content than they were.
Yeah, because people are realizing that that's a gimmick, and
exactly.
It only works if it's going to actually aid the development of the game. I'm proud to be an American, or at least I know I'm free.
You made up that song.
I made the song up today, 'cause America gave that right to me.
I don't think you did.
And I proudly stand up next to you and proclaim it still today.
Not the words to the song.
That's the words!
Nope.
I wrote it.
Oh, okay. Well, then. Yes, technically that's the words, but in that case.
There ain't no doubt I love this land.
I doubt it a little bit. I kind of doubt it.
Love this land. You need to echo my love this land. Okay, ready? There ain't no doubt I love this land.
I'm doubting it. I doubt it.
No, echo.
I doubt that you love this land.
God bless the USA.
I mean, it's kind of like deserty and
look at that guy's
terrible.
ponytail.
It's got a pretty good ponytail.
Like it's from 1974. There's a guy outside with a super. I wonder if he can hear us.
I don't know. I wonder if he wants to see our printer and be on YouTube.
I don't think he knows what. He wouldn't be impressed if he saw it. I don't think.
No, he's like an electrician. Electricians know a lot.
Are you sure he's an electrician? He might be a plumber.
He's an electro plumber.
Electro Plumber.
Yes.
That needs to be a video game. Mega Man mixed with Mario? What the fuck? That's terrifying. There's no inherent, there's inherent danger, but there's no apparent danger, but it still scares the shit out of me. Could you imagine if that were on and just doing that?
Unfortunately, I can't.
Like cooking the inside of your mouth? Oh, fuck.
Can I not imagine that anymore, please?
That's like...
Can I ever stop imagining
If ever someone came to me and was like, do you want to direct a Saw movie? This would be like what I had. Like, it would just be like fucking...
I think if someone came to me and asked me to direct a Saw movie, I would tell them I don't want to do that.
I would do it because you make a shit ton of money.
I'd only produce
People would watch Saw if you... I'd only produce it, you're an asshole. People would watch Saw if you fucking put like bunnies and shit in it. They'd be like, oh, that's real torture because that person is afraid of bunnies.
Your Saw movie would be weird.
He's working on the other 3D printer. We're building another one. Ah, what happened to airplane? Oh, that's an alarm. Is that interrupting anything?
Almost probably.
Huh?
I'll get it.
Sorry for the interruption. I'm not gonna touch your phone. Because I don't want to fuck it up.
No, you're not.
There's a little skip in the time lapse.
You're a stupid, unnecessary curve.
I love my unnecessary curve.
I hate it.
You liked it when I was doing it.
Nope, I hated it then too.
Now we can...
You review the evidence.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
You
Right
will
here.
find-
We're gonna... How much more room do I have? Okay. I don't know.
You're just like going totally crazy now. I like it.
There, see, it happened. What do you think? What now? Where you said you liked it? It just happened. We just watched it.
I'm confused.
It happened.
Dang it.
Did you not see it?
I saw it. It's just I don't know.
If it didn't,
I don't think so.
who do you think is gonna win?
Who do you think eats potato chips with queso?
Me?
Yeah, you're the only one.
No.
Also, you're out of frame. You were out of frame for a second. I can touch you.
No, I mean, you're...
Good job being a frame.
Who am I?
Stop that.
I don't even know anymore. Look, I'm in frame. I think I have man boobs.
I think you're supposed to eat corn chips with queso.
No, then you don't get man boobs.
You kind of got me there, actually. Alright.
I need these guys.
Well, you got me there.
So, since the last print, this guy, several hours have passed, and that's the magic of video editing. Anyway, apparently he is going to watch the Super Bowl tomorrow, and which he wasn't before. I think we talked about the Super Bowl earlier.
Did we?
Yeah, I think we did.
I think I said I hated it.
But yeah, he wasn't gonna watch it, but now he is. I don't know why.
Because I do what I want.
But
Because you made me cry when you were like, I'm going to do it alone in my room eating potato chips with queso.
that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna
And like
buy.
I imagined that and it made me cry.
I was gonna buy some potato chips and queso dip, and just watch the Super Bowl on my computer in my room.
Because that's how people are supposed to watch the Super Bowl,
And
alone in their room.
And then this guy's like, I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl. We're all gonna watch it in the living room. Blah 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 blah.
Yeah, like normal people.
I'm not a normal person. I design crappy headphone stands. And then upload them to Thingiverse so people are like, this sucks.
Can't wait for the comments we get.
I wonder if I'm kind of...
Who designed this piece of crap?
I want to see if... what if we get positive comments?
I don't know.
Because, I mean,
This
like
is not
with the Ingress case...
Yeah, but that was good.
Yeah, well, how was it good? It was wasn't expecting bad comments.
Good vector art, and we cut it through.
I wasn't expecting bad comments, but I wasn't expecting any comments or anything.
That's true. I was expecting nothing as
well. So I mean, you kind of get the opposite of what you expect. I bet it's pretty high. What is that fish? It's not a gay fish.
Hooks.
11 likes. That's pretty good.
It's at 82 downloads.
Yeah, I didn't expect anything out of that.
How does that even happen? Like, how specific is this game? And everyone's like, yeah. Maybe some people just think it's a cool looking symbol and they just download it anyway.
That's possible. Like, especially like if you're into Egyptian shit. Yeah. Because that's very Egyptian looking. I'll post a picture to it. Or not post a picture. Here, right above the printer. Right there.
Can you make a video of that one?
I'm not gonna make a no, I'm just gonna put a picture of that. The picture of the case.
Or the one that I uploaded.
What? Whatever. I'll put a bunch of pictures. They're changing. They're changing. They're changing. They're changing. They're changing. Stop. That's the one.
I hate you all the time.
I just really need to get this off. And let's see if this fits. Okay, guys. The test of oh my goodness! Look at that.
That fits pretty well.
That is, yeah. I mean,
it's right above center where it should be. I guess it might be a little too bendy though.
It might be. I don't know. That's pretty good.
I don't know. It should be fine. It's not that bad.
So
bring the headphones out here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go grab the headphones. I'll be right back. Take this off. Okay. And now for the moment of truth. Oh, it's not tall enough.
It's definitely not tall enough.
Put in. Still not tall enough, but it fucking works.
Yeah, it holds them up.
Let's see.
It doesn't keep them off the desk, but it definitely holds them up.
Given our restrictions, we were able to create a stand.
Oh, the pony's in the shot.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Here's the thing. We printed it as big as we could, literally.
Yeah.
So
I should have gone with the original design. Because then it would have been taller.
Probably. But I like this.
It's not bad.
I don't consider this a fail.
You know what else it is?
What?
Banana stand.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah. Not metaphorically.
Not
if it was metaphorical, that'd probably
metaphorically
be really dirty.
a banana stand. Wow.
Yeah.
Someone's mouth could metaphorically be a banana stand.
Ugh.
So that's the print. It's a pretty sturdy print. Oh, there's some cracking. I broke it. Sturdy break. But yeah, we designed this. And we made it. That's exciting. Woohoo! Episode 1.